Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Portal 1 co-op. While the original Portal game doesn't feature an official cooperative mode, dedicated fans have created excellent modifications to bring this experience to life. To get started, both you and your friend will need to own a copy of the game. Then, you'll download and install a specific community-made mod that enables two-player gameplay. It's a fantastic way to revisit the classic puzzles with a friend. Once you've chosen a co-op mod, the next step is installation. First, download the mod files from a reputable community website. After downloading, you'll typically need to extract these files directly into your main Portal game directory. It's crucial to verify that the mod is compatible with your computer's operating system to avoid any issues. Always read and follow the mod's included installation guide for the best results. With the mod installed, it's time to connect with your friend. One player will need to host the game, essentially acting as the server. This host will then share their public IP address with the second player. The second player will use this IP address to directly connect to the host's game. For a seamless and enjoyable experience, both players should ensure they have a stable and reasonably fast internet connection, ideally with low latency. Now for the fun part, playing together. In Portal Co-op, you and your friend will work in tandem to solve a series of ingenious physics-based puzzles. Each player controls a distinct character, both equipped with their own portal gun. Effective communication is absolutely vital to coordinate your actions and overcome the often complex challenges. These mods typically feature entirely new levels, specifically designed for two players, offering fresh and exciting gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.